Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Good morning and welcome to my class. Illustrate the different subset of real numbers. Number 2, arrange real numbers in increasing or decreasing order on the number line. Number 3, represent real life situation and solve problems involving real numbers. Real numbers includes the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers. So we will explain it further. The set of natural or counting numbers includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. The set of whole numbers includes 0 and the set of natural or counting numbers or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. The only difference between whole number and natural number is that the whole number includes the number 0 and the set of natural number. The set of integers represented by letter C includes 0, the positive integers to the right of 0 up to infinity, the negative integers to the left of 0 up to infinity, no fractions, no decimals. The set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed as A over B, where B is not equal to 0. It includes the set of counting numbers or natural numbers. It also includes the set of whole numbers, which includes 0 and the set of natural number. We have also the set of integers, and we have fractions and decimal. So we have rational numbers. Rational numbers includes the set of natural numbers, the set of whole numbers, the set of integers, and the set of fractions and decimals. So that includes the set of rational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers which cannot be represented as quotient of two integers. It is represented by q prime. Example, square root of 2, square root of 3, pi. So, real numbers includes the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers. Real numbers is represented by letter R. It is divided into two, the set of rationals, which is Q, and the set of irrational, which is Q prime. Under Q, or the set of rational numbers, we have the set of integers C and the non-integer rational numbers, which includes fraction and decimal. For the set of integers, we have the negative numbers and we have the whole numbers. For whole numbers, we have 0 and the set of natural numbers n. We need to identify which of the given number belong to. We have the number 2. The number 2 is a natural number. It is also a whole number, an integer, rational, and a real number. We have negative pi. Negative 5 is an integer, a rational number, and a real number. We have 1/2. That is a rational number and a real number. 2 and 5/10 is a rational number and a real number. 1/3 is a rational number and a real number. Pi is an irrational number. We need to identify which of the given number belong to. We have the following numbers. I'm giving you time to answer. We need to answer the following problem. Identify which of the given number belong to. The first number is square root of 13. That is irrational and a real number. We have 11. 11 is natural. It is also a whole number, an integer, a rational number, and a real number. We have negative 23. Negative 23 is an integer, a rational number, and a real number. We have 6 and 72 hundredths. That is a rational number and a real number. Negative 9/10 is a rational number and a real number. And the last number, 1 and 2/3 is a rational number and a real number. Did you get it correct? Very good. We can plot the real numbers on the number line. So we have 0 to 1. So we have 1/2. We have the set of rational number because 1/2 is rational. So we have square root of 2. So that is in between 1 and 2. That is the set of irrational number. So we have pi, which is approximately equal to 3.1416. That is after the number 3. We need to arrange the following real numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from lowest to highest. So we have square root of 27, negative 1/4, cube root of negative 8, we have 2/5. So, we have the cube root of negative 8 is actually negative 2. Then we have negative 1/4 followed by 2/5, and the square root of 27 is approximately equal to 5 point something. We need to arrange the following real numbers in descending order. Descending means from highest to lowest. So, we have the square root of 27, followed by 2/5, followed by negative 1/4, then we have the cube root of negative 8. We will practice. Arrange the following real number in ascending order. We have the first one. We have 5, 0, negative 1, and 14. For the second one, we have 1/2, negative 1/8, 5, and negative 7. Ascending means from lowest to highest. To answer the problem. Arranging the given numbers in ascending order means from lowest to highest. So what is the lowest number? We have negative 1, 0, 5, and 14. Negative 1, 0, 5, and 14. Or the next number. What is the lowest number? The lowest number is negative 7, negative 1/8, 1/2, followed by 5. Negative 7, negative 1/8, 1/2, and 5. Did you get the correct answer? Very good. We have another practice. Arrange the following real number in descending order. Descending order means from highest to lowest. We have square root of 35, negative 1/3, square root of 16, 2 and 5/10. We have 4/5, negative 2/3, negative 1, square root of 4. Are now ready to answer the problem. Descending from highest to lowest. What is the highest? Square root of 35, square root of 16, 2 and 5/10, negative 1/3. We are in the next one. We have square root of 4, 4 over 5, negative 2/3, negative 1. Are in problem solving. In an election for class officers, 10 students declared as winner. There were 50 students in the class. Represent part of the officers to the whole class using real numbers. So we have 10 over 50 is equivalent to 1 over 5. There are 80 students in a class. 2 people are boys. How many are girls? If 2 people were boys, therefore 3 people were girls. So we need to find 3 people of 80. 3 people of 80 is 3 times 80, 240. And 240 divided by 5 is 48. Therefore, there are 48 girls in the class. Use real-life numbers to represent the following real-life situation. Gain of 5 kg is represented as positive 5. A loss of 4 kg is negative 4. A drop in temperature by 8 degrees Celsius is negative 8. Additional 3 points is positive 3. And 2 feet below sea level is negative 2. Real-life application of real numbers. Real numbers are extremely useful in everyday life. That is probably one of the main reasons we all learn how to count and add and subtract from a very young age. When you ask your friend how many slices of toast he or she wants for breakfast, you are using real numbers when they reply with their answer. Thank you for watching.